Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. I really missed you. I don't know, I just missed doing these videos. Hoping you guys are fine like I am here. So today I'm going to give you 15 easy ways. There are so easy ways to make money in 2021 because this is the year we want to have cash. This is the year we are making the best out of everything. Just make the best out of whatever you have, the little capability you have. So I'll give you 15 very easy ways. Anybody can do this, and you can choose to combine 2 or 3 ways together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it will be useful. As always, I love to help you guys to, I love when my videos are useful to people, and I'm so happy when I see people DMing me asking me for ideas, business ideas, So yeah, today I'll give you 15 good ideas to make money in 2021. So let's get straight into the video. Number 1 easy way is dropshipping. You guys know I have talked about this in another video. I don't know which one, but dropshipping is whereby, in case you don't know, it's whereby you have a shop, you have your own store. Of course, not a physical store, an online store. And you know the good thing with it, you don't put anything. You just create a profile. Let's say on Shopify, you create your own profile and, sell your products. You don't need to have those products. You just put the products you're selling. If someone is interested, now is the time you buy the product and sell to them. So you see, your products will never get spoiled because you don't have the physical product. You just put them with your price. Of course, if let's say Amazon is selling it at $200, you put your price as $300 or $400, so that when someone shows interest, now you ship for them directly to them. Okay, yeah. If you need to know more about drop shipping, just look at my other videos. I think I'll put the link here as a suggestion, so just keep looking, you'll see it. So yeah, that is one method that you can make money. Another easy method is transcription. I've also talked about transcription so many times. If you've not seen my other videos, just check them because they are so useful. So in case you don't know, transcription is whereby you change verbal words, voice or audio into text. So whatever you hear, you write it, you type it. That's all about transcription. There are so many transcription sites. I have given them also, so if you wish, you can check them. Transcription is one of the easiest. I always say this because it's all about listening and then typing whatever you hear. If, for example, I can give this audio to transcribers to just put it in words, so that maybe I can do a book or something. So that's all about transcription. You just listen to what someone is saying and then you type it, and yeah, you get paid depending on the length of the audio. Another way you can make money in 2021 is through creating your own course. So many people are looking for people to train them to do different things. So if you can have a course of your own in Udemy or any other site, you will be good to go. Just make sure that you are a pro in something. If you can cook, if you can play something good, if you can do just a specific skill that many people want to know, many people want to learn, it won't cost you. You just go create your profile and leave it there. Leave it there until someone gets interested with it. When someone gets interested, you teach them, you'll have put your price, and with time you'll be getting so many clients. It's just a matter of time, because of course you have to get the first few. If they trust you, they rate you well, and you get more and more clients. And this is somewhere people are making millions out of it. I don't know, people are really making money with online courses. So if you can train something, just go and try your luck. You might get so many people interested in what you can do. Another way is through email marketing. This is whereby you look for emails from different people who are interested in a certain thing. So your work is to investigate what different people are interested in. After that, you now become a brand ambassador. Now you'll have to look for companies, and then you give them you tell them what you can do for them. If let's say it's beauty, you look for people who are interested in beauty, and then now you go to beauty companies, a lot of them, and try your luck. And if they get convinced, you get the job, and that's it. That's how you start earning your money. Another way that I cannot fail to mention is starting a YouTube channel. I've always told you guys it's so easy to start a YouTube channel. In case you want to know how you can start a channel and grow easily, I'll put a link in the description so that you guys can check that. I've done a video on how I made my first 1,000 subscribers, how I started my channel, why you need to start a channel. You can check any of those videos, and I hope they will be useful. A YouTube channel is so useful right now. There are billions of users on YouTube. Imagine, billions of people are viewing videos. The average view of videos every day is like 1 billion. Imagine all those people. You need to start your own channel if you can do anything, if you can have some knowledge that you can share information, or if you're funny, you're entertaining, just anything. And the crazy thing is everyone has viewers. Like, you cannot even, like, hakuna kitu haina views. I just wonder, everyone is here on YouTube watching any kind of stuff. The next way you can make money in 2021 is through writing an ebook. I know I've talked about this before, I think so. Yeah, you can write your ebook instead of staying there jobless or idling. People are really working hard, by the way. So if you really want to make money, you can write an ebook. That is, if you have anything to share, if you have an inspiring story, maybe you're good at writing stories, you can take advantage, write an ebook. Or it doesn't have to be a story. You can show us tips on this and that. By the way, those books on tips are doing so well. You don't have to write at your story. You can give any tutorial in an ebook. You can even have cooking recipe. You can have a book with relationship titles. Those titles really sell. For example, how to win a man's heart, how to win a lady's heart. If you know these things, you can just write an ebook and post them. Those things do so well. If you want to test, write a short book. You don't even have to write at 300 pages. No, write a short book with only 30 pages to begin with. You'll see. People are really interested in knowing anything. Like, I wonder what this world has become of, because people are doing anything out here. So just do your thing. Also, try anything. Teach us anything that you can do using an ebook. We'll be ready to read. Another way is through becoming an influencer on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, although the most common are Instagram and TikTok right now. I have seen people making it through TikTok. Look at Kina Elsa Majimbo, those people actually resurfaced from TikTok. So take advantage of it right now before many people enter into it, and be among the first to make money with TikTok, with Instagram, because once you get so many followers, you don't even have to inbox those brands. They come chasing you, girl. The good thing with that algorithm online is that once you start getting the followers, they come. Once one video goes viral, oh my god, you get the following. You'll be wondering, like, what is happening? And you'll make millions. And I mean it, millions from that. Also, YouTube has so much money. If you do a video and it goes viral, you'll make millions. Yeah. And the good thing with online money is that it keeps flowing. It won't stop. Once you start making money, you'll just be seated and the money is flowing. Money, pesa inaingia, pesa utas. So try it. Another way you can make money is through blogging. I have seen so many bloggers making it in life. You can look at Kina Extiandela, Kina Robert Alai, all those people. They are making so much money through blogging. All you need to do is to be so vocal. Maybe on Twitter. Mostly it's Twitter that makes people vocal. Go there, post your thing, your opinions, but you've got to be careful, Don't go there to exaggerate, but just become a blogger. If not, so you can blog now on websites. You can just write articles and everything, be it politics, be it news, be it celebrity gossips, be it anything. You can look at Kina Tuko. They started like that, just so easily. You see those opera news that you get, those ones are bloggers writing. You can blog about health and fitness. You can blog about fashion, about anything that you wish, anything that you can do good. If you're a mom, you can blog about maybe moms, pregnancy, everything you need to know. You know, there are so many blog ideas. The good thing with blogs, you get paid like YouTube. It's through Google AdSense, and so your money just comes. The more you blog, the more money you get, and the better if you have a niche. I know I don't have a niche. I know, but if you're a blogger, it would be advisable if you choose a niche and you'll do it. You'll make money with that. I'm also a blogger, by the way. One day I'll share my blog site with you, but it's like mine died. I stopped posting, but I'll be back. Another way is through opening an online shop. Yeah, an online shop is so good. Right now people are shopping online, especially because people fear to go outside there because of coronavirus and everything. And there's this thing that people want everything to be delivered to their houses. I don't know why. Even clothes, people have become lazy. They don't want to go and shop. So all you need is to open your own shop and then market it. You can even open a shop with Jumia, or just open an Instagram shop. This one is the easiest because all you need to do is advertise it on Instagram and that's it. You can also sell your products in WhatsApp or in Facebook. Online shops are so easy, especially if you have so many contacts, you have so many people. You can sell to them. If you have so many followers also on Instagram, you go there, sell to them, and that's it. And the thing is, it's not costly because you don't have to rent a shop in town or anything. You save that money. Another way you can make money is through freelance writing. I have talked about this so many times. I don't even want to talk about it anymore. Freelance writing is whereby you do assignments for people. Maybe any kind of assignment. The good thing is that you can Google the answers if you don't know. So yeah, I've tried it and it's good money. It's good money. I won't even lie about this. It's so good. So if you want to make money, please try it. Especially if you are jobless, you are idle in your house. Of course, it's time consuming, but it has money, so you can try it. All you need to do is learn so much about it online. You can look at websites that talk about that, just anywhere that online writers are, and learn something, because you need to learn if you want to make so much money with it. I have seen people buy cars. So many people buying cars with it, not even one. So you can try it. It has so much money. Another way you can make money is through Fiverr. Just go look for the gigs there, choose the ones that are fitting you, apply for them. By the way, Fiverr is the best way to make money. If you've not discovered it, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just go there, look for anything. People are there asking for people to do them this and this jobs. There are so many, I can't even mention them. Everything you want will be in Fiverr. So just go download the app and look for anything that you can do at a cost. And the good thing is they are not sijaona scammers uko, like there are not many scammers there, but I hope hawakuja. The last time I checked, it was a legit app. So just download Fiverr and check. You might find your luck there. Another way people are making money online is through surveys. I know this one I've talked about so many times. I have even given you survey sites that you can try. I hope you guys have seen that video. If you've not, I'll put the link in the description so that you can check these survey sites. Surveys have become so popular and companies have really discovered them. So companies are using people. You answer questions and then you are paid a tip. So if you want to do that, you can try it, but the only thing is that surveys cannot be your only source of income. You cannot rely on surveys only. You need other sources of income, but it's good because it gives you extra airtime, extra amount of cash that you didn't have, and they don't consume your time. It's about 1 minute. Within 1 minute, you're given 100 bob. That is $1. Another way you can make money is through affiliate marketing. This is whereby you take products from companies and then advertise for them. Once people buy them, you get paid. Also through referring people to companies. Once people get referred, once people enter the code or something, you get paid. There are so many benefits of affiliate marketing. If you want to know about it, you can just Google it because it has a lot. I can't even finish talking about it right now, but I have seen many people inboxing me asking me about affiliate marketing, so I think I'll do a video on that. Just keep checking, you might find it. Yeah, so I think affiliate marketing has become so popular and so many companies are doing it. So just look for companies that offer affiliate marketing jobs, and you can do them as side hustles because this is not a full-time job. Affiliate marketing is something that you'll just be doing while you are continuing with your day-to-day work, so it's a good work. Another business idea is betting. I always say I don't encourage anyone to do betting, but I have to talk about it because people are making money out of it. I have seen people make so much money with betting. So if you want to try, you can try it. If you watch football, make money out of your watching. Don't just watch. Make money out of it. If you know how to predict these games, if you really like, when you guru, when you master, you can try it. You can stake a lot of money and then you win a lot of money. Of course, it's risky. People have killed themselves. People are committing suicide because of betting. So we don't want to hear news ati mtu amejiua ati alibet na sijui liver yake ama ni kidney yake. No, please don't. If you can't do this, please avoid it. So I think those are 15 good ways you can make money online. You guys, I really enjoyed doing this video and I hope at least you'll get something out of those 15. You can't miss one that was, interesting to you. Just pick one out of those 15 or 2 or 3, depending on what benefits you, what's your interest, and make use of it. So until next time, I hope to see you in my next video, guys. You can watch my other videos in the meantime because I've done so many videos on how to make money and I hope they'll be useful, So until next time, bye guys.